Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Hint. Hint. Hint means indicate indirectly. For example, there were those who hinted at doctored evidence. There were those who hinted at doctored evidence. Synonyms: imply, insinuate, intimate. Hook. Hook. Hook means attach or fasten with a hook. For example, the truck had a red lamp hooked to its tailgate. The truck had a red lamp hooked to its tailgate. Synonyms: attach, fix, hitch. Imprison. Imprison. Imprison means put or keep in prison or place like prison. For example, he was imprisoned for 6 months for contempt of court. He was imprisoned for 6 months for contempt of court. Synonyms: incarcerate, put in prison, send to prison. INCUR. INCUR. INCUR means become subject to something unwelcome or unpleasant as result of one's own behavior or actions. For example, I will pay any expenses incurred. I will pay any expenses incurred. Synonyms: suffer, sustain, experience. Induce. Induce. Induce means persuade or lead someone to do something. For example, the pickets induced many workers to stay away. The pickets induced many workers to stay away. Synonyms: persuade, convince, prevail upon. Indulge. Indulge. Indulge means allow oneself to enjoy. For example, we indulged in some hot fudge sundaes. We indulged in some hot fudge sundaes. Synonyms: wallow in, give oneself up to, give way to. Infect. Infect. Infect means affect with disease-causing organism. For example, there is no evidence that the virus can infect humans. There is no evidence that the virus can infect humans. Synonyms: pass infection to, transmit infection to, spread disease to. Inflict. Inflict. Inflict means cause something unpleasant or painful to be suffered by person or thing. For example, they inflicted serious injuries on 3 other men. They inflicted serious injuries on 3 other men. Synonyms: administer to, deal out to, mete out to. Inhibit. Inhibit. Inhibit means hinder action or process. For example, cold inhibits plant growth. Cold inhibits plant growth. Synonyms: impede, hinder, hamper. Initiate. Initiate. Initiate means cause to begin. For example, he proposes to initiate discussions on planning procedures. He proposes to initiate discussions on planning procedures. Synonyms: begin, start off, commence. Inject. Inject. Inject means introduce drug etc. into body with syringe. For example, the doctor injected a painkilling drug. The doctor injected a painkilling drug. Synonyms: administer, introduce. Instruct. Instruct. Instruct means tell someone to do something. For example, she instructed him to wait. She instructed him to wait. Synonyms: order, command, direct. Insult. Insult. Insult means speak to or treat with disrespect. For example, you're insulting the woman I love. You're insulting the woman I love. Synonyms: offend, cause offense to, give offense to. Interfere. Interfere. Interfere means intervene in situation without invitation. For example, you promised not to interfere. You promised not to interfere. Synonyms: meddlesome, meddling, intrusive. Intervene. Intervene. Intervene means take part in something so as to alter events. For example, he acted outside his authority when he intervened in the dispute. He acted outside his authority when he intervened in the dispute. Synonyms: intercede, involve oneself, get involved. Invoke. Invoke. Invoke means appeal to as authority. For example, the antiquated defense of insanity is rarely invoked today. The antiquated defense of insanity is rarely invoked today. Synonyms: cite, refer to, adduce. Kidnap. Kidnap. Kidnap means abduct someone and hold them captive. For example, militants kidnapped the daughter of a minister. Militants kidnapped the daughter of a minister. Synonyms: abduct, carry off, capture. Leak. Leak. Leak means accidentally lose or admit contents. For example, the roof leaked. The roof leaked. Synonyms: seep, seep out, escape. Leap. Leap. Leap means jump or spring forcefully. For example, I leapt across the threshold. I leapt across the threshold. Synonyms: jump over, jump, vault over. Linger. Linger. Linger means stay in place longer than necessary because of reluctance to leave. For example, she lingered in the yard, enjoying the warm sunshine. She lingered in the yard, enjoying the warm sunshine. Synonyms: wait around, stay, remain.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.